In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Building your own website might sound daunting, but with Hostinger, it's both quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website. Once you're there, you'll see a welcoming banner that encourages you to bring your idea online with a website. If you're not familiar with Hostinger, it's one of the most user-friendly web hosting providers available, offering a range of tools to make website creation accessible to everyone. Next, look towards the top right corner and click on the login button. If you already have a Hostinger account, simply enter your login details and proceed. Logging in gives you access to the dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your hosting and website building activities. For newcomers, make sure you create an account by following the on-screen prompts before proceeding to log in. After successfully logging in, your next stop is the Hostinger homepage, sometimes referred to as the H panel. This is essentially your control center where you can manage various services offered by Hostinger. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as this hub is where you'll return to manage your website and hosting preferences. Once you're comfortable, let's move on to adding your website. In the H panel, you'll notice an option labeled Websites. Click on that, and it will take you to a page where you'll see a button to Add Website. Clicking this is your first step toward creating a new online presence. It's as simple as that. With the groundwork laid, it's time to select a website builder. Hostinger's Website Builder is a feature-rich, easy-to-use tool that's perfect whether you're building a personal blog, an online store, or anything in between. You'll find this option immediately after you have selected to add a website. Click on Hostinger Website Builder, which will launch the builder interface. Now you're ready to start designing your site. The builder provides a multitude of templates, customization options, and drag and drop features. Take some time to explore the tools available and start crafting your website to match your vision. Each feature is designed to be intuitive, ensuring that even those new to website design can create something truly special. That's it. With these simple steps, you're on your way to launching your site. Hostinger makes it easy for anyone to get online quickly, with robust features that are both powerful and user-friendly. Now go ahead and bring your idea to life. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.